Hi there, this is Ira Weinstein. BlueJeans is a leading enterprise video communications provider. Recently, BlueJeans asked us to evaluate its meetings service and specifically its new 2.0 desktop application. BlueJeans Meetings is a cloud-based Meet Me video collaboration service with integrated Dolby Voice HD audio. All BlueJeans meetings are hosted on the company's video bridges and in virtual meeting rooms. Key features of the BlueJeans service include 720p video support and 1080p content support, one-click meeting scheduling and join, support for BlueJeans Room systems, support for SIP and H.323 video systems, support for WebRTC users and even phone-only participants, cloud recording and streaming, real-time and historical analytics, and much more. There are several ways to schedule BlueJeans meetings. From within Outlook for Exchange and Office 365 users, from within Chrome for Google Calendar users, and from within the BlueJeans portal directly. The system automatically inserts a BlueJeans meeting join link and other information into the calendar invite. Note how this calendar invite from within Outlook for Windows provides a click to join link, direct dial IP information, and even phone dial-in options for this user. For desktop and mobile users, joining a scheduled meeting requires just a single click. No app to open, no meeting ID to enter. SIP and H.323 users can join by dialing a simple URL like 12345 at bjn.vc, or by using the free BlueJeans Relay solution, which offers one touch-to-join capabilities for most H.323 and SIP systems. And Skype for Business users can dial directly into BlueJeans meetings. We joined BlueJeans calls from Windows machines, from Mac machines, from iOS and Android devices, from SIP and 323 systems, using Skype clients from within Chrome and over the phone. In all cases, without exception, our calls connected properly. Now what about the in-call experience? Video quality was strong at all times during our testing, and audio quality ranged from very good to exceptional. And finally, content sharing worked very well, both incoming and outgoing. Now, what about this new desktop app that everyone's talking about? Well, back in the day, joining a meeting took 30 to 60 seconds or more. With BlueJeans Desktop App 2.0, joining a meeting takes only 6 seconds. Now that is exceptional. The app also offers some interesting workflow features. For example, it makes it quick and easy for users to join via the phone and share content. This makes life very easy for those on the go or on marginal data networks. The app also includes a helpful check your hair function that lets users preview their camera image before joining the meeting. No need to hide from the camera at the start of the meeting anymore. Very smart. Also, BlueJeans offers a preview of multiple cameras simultaneously, and it displays a pop-up window whenever a new camera or audio device is connected. This makes it easier for users to manage their AV devices. In terms of look and feel, the new user interface is clean and it's tight. With a single click, users can see their personal meeting info, their scheduled meetings, their camera, mic, and speaker selection options, and more. But the rest of the time, and I like this the most, the menus and controls stay out of the way, allowing participants to see what they really care about, the people and the content in the meeting. And for Mac users, BlueJeans also offers 2 new features, whiteboarding and annotation. The whiteboard offers the features you'd expect to find, including different colors and pen sizes, erase, clear, and undo. And the annotation function lets users annotate on a screenshot of any shared content. These features worked very well during our testing, and support for Windows is expected soon. We are avid BlueJeans users and have been for many years. We tested BlueJeans meetings and specifically the new user interface in both our test environment and in production. We placed calls from various devices and systems, and throughout our testing, BlueJeans meetings performed extremely well. And the new 2.0 desktop application takes the Windows and Mac user experience to an entirely new level. BlueJeans Meetings is a cloud Meet Me bridging service for hosting video, audio, and content sharing sessions, and it does that extremely well. Thank you, and have a great day.